Do you know that Vegas Casino have a hotel, have a pub, that you can hop from one hotel to another by riding a tram, and it's totally free. Riding the tram, you can see all the casinos down there. And do you know that hotels and casinos in Las Vegas have restaurants, buffets, retail stores, arcade, food court, pub, and a lot more. Probably minimum age limit, which is 21 for casinos, but hotels, you can bring your kids. And you have to find out what are the specific rules of each hotel. You can also change your cash into chips at the casino cage. If you're gambling at the casino in Las Vegas, you can order drinks. Casinos will allow you to order a maximum of 2 drinks per person. Tip well and always order the maximum. Full dresses, skirt, blouse, button-down shirts, slacks, jeans, and jackets are all okay for casinos in the evening. Term business casual or fashionable chic's attire is often used to describe these styles. But you can wear all the clothes that you want and always check the weather so you know what to wear comfortably. Please wear comfortable shoes, sneakers, and slippers. Especially when walking down the Las Vegas Strip, because this includes a tremendous walking. And as long as you have some kind of shoes at your feet, it really doesn't matter in the casinos what you wear. Where you are going to a tremendous amount of walking both on the strip and in the casinos. So make sure you wear the most comfortable shoes you have. The Las Vegas rules say, what happens in Vegas, stay in Vegas, but now it's stay in Facebook. Las Vegas dress code vary based on the hotel. So always check the hotel that you're staying, the restaurant that you're going. Jeans, blouses, sports with colors and are good. Look for pretty things in Vegas. Our YouTube channel, Dazzle Reward Unlimited, for all the list of the free things to do and what are we suggest. You can also check the My Vegas app so you can have the free things that you can use.